with a quiet sigh, cold wind drifting through the sky. Shadows gather on the broken stone, echoes arising where the light is thrown. Stillness hums in the silver air, a single beam finds its way there, touching symbols carved in time, soft as truth in a simple sign. Light through the mist, a promise that persists, even when the night is long, it carries you along. Light through the mist, a moment you can't resist, something clear, something bright, calling you toward the light. Footsteps slow on the rugged ground, old beliefs scattered all around. But in the hush of the turning tide, a steady calm begins to rise. Whispers drift on the ocean's spray, guiding gently through the fray. Healing comes in a quiet spark, a single flame in a world so dark. Light through the mist, a promise that persists, even when the night is long, it carries you along. Light through the mist, a moment you can't resist, something clear, something bright, calling you toward the light. A quiet glow on the edge of